What's up with YouTube? It's your boy DeMarco and I got KJ in the cut with me. And baby birthday is in 2 more days, y'all.
And we at the best mall, but we at the North.
We at the North Park Mall, man. I mean, not North Park, my bad. We at the Galleria, y'all. It's lit. We going through this restaurant to get to everything, to the stores, y'all. We finna go get basic stuff. Whew, it's cold out there, y'all. It's finna get lit, though. No cap. It's finna get lit. We in this thing, you know what I mean? We in this thing.
Go upstairs.
We finna go everywhere. Finna see what we gonna get mama. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We finna go see what we gonna get mama for her birthday. I already got decorations and everything, y'all, so it's finna be lit. Man, it's not about you, it's about mama. Man, we got decorations and everything, y'all, so we're finna see what we can get up out here. Y'all, let's go to the pink store first, KJ. I know mama like fitty stuff and tight stuff. They closed? Is they closed? They look closed in there. Open that door. See the door open. Oh, the pink store closed, y'all.
Most of the stores are closed.
For real? Come on, we ain't going upstairs yet. Not just yet. Bro, most of the stores is closed. Our money exchange closed. Bro, what the heck going on? Closed, bro. Most of these stores is closed in here.
How about that store? That wasn't saying no.
Man, bro, this is crazy. Come on. This elevator been like it's stuck. Don't say that.
Come on, get out.
Bro, I can't press 1.
No, come on. Come on in.
We can't go down? Oh, yeah, you can. It's going down. Look.
Oh.
Bro, that's crazy. Every
See, that's
store
what
here is
it might be.
closed, man.
Man,
Like, what is going on in the world? The snow got everybody not even coming to work, y'all. I'm talking about. The snow got everybody not coming to work. Boy, you ain't scared. You a triple OG
Oh,
gangster.
I was about to say it. Man, my dog got.
Triple OG gangster, man. This is crazy, y'all. Everything is closed. Literally every store here is closed.
Man, how everything is
He's running up.
closed?
He's running up while it's going up. And while it's going down. Oh, he is running up while it's going down. Man, I don't know, but we really thought we was gonna go shopping for mama and everything is closed, man. Everything is closed, y'all. Like, no kissing, look, closed. Everything is closed.
Man, how everything is closed?
It's crazy, y'all. I never seen a day in my life when the mall's still open and everything closed.
Man, how everything is closed?
Cause ain't nobody coming to work. Ain't nobody came to work today. Only people that came to work is the security. Victoria's Secret closed. Everything closed. I was gonna get her a little situation, little thong.
And then what? Which one is?
So I can't even get her nothing sexy. No lingerie, none of that. None of that, y'all. It's crazy, man. Made a big
This is
blank
so
trip,
stupid.
man. Man, it's crazy, bro.
So
They done
dumb.
turned the escalators off. Can't nobody go up the escalators. Pink, locked up over there. Our money exchange closed. It's crazy. Yeah, our money exchange closed. Everything. Only open is this restaurant. Man, we back outside, y'all. Made a dry run, blank trip, whatever you want to call it, man. I can't believe it. Only thing open is this restaurant, y'all. The whole place is
Shut
shit.
you.
Stop playing, cause I already told you that, bro. Like, damn, I don't know why he want.
2 days later.
All right, so I'm over here trying to smell the Chanel. That shit smell good. I don't know, she probably like that. KJ, come on, bro. We gotta wait on somebody. I'm finna ask them how much that Chanel costs. I'm finna see how much that Chanel is.
Daddy, I'm recording you. I'm recording you.
Now we at the mall. I'm trying to decide, man. I'm trying to decide if I only got some Chanel shoes. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to see. But I'm not recording you. I'm trying to debate if I only got some perfume or something. I don't know yet. But y'all stay tuned. We gonna see, man, if I get some shoes or what else I get. Y'all just stay tuned. It's going down for real. No kissing. Man, so we walking all around this place, man. This place big as hell. Like, we trying to figure out where these damn Uggs is. Went to Macy's, they ain't have no Uggs. Went to other place, they ain't have no Uggs. Nordstrom, so we trying to see. Yeah, it do look good, but we ain't on there right now. We trying to hunt for mama.
Oh no.
That one smell like, you don't smell it?
No.
But I don't know. That one do smell
How
real.
it smell this one?
That's the same thing, bro.
Oh, it smells really good.
For real, you like it? I think I'm gonna have this
eat
one.
this mud.
How old is this one?
Okay.
How old is this one? This one?
How old is it?
Yeah, y'all. So I got some little stuff, little some. Got the candle too. You know what I'm talking about? You already know how you like do.
Smell this. Smell this.
That smell good. But I already got what I need right here. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, y'all, we back at it. Went to Bath and Body for my baby. You know what I'm saying? Got a little something, shella. Y'all, you know how it be, how it is. For her birthday and stuff, shit. We finna get lit. You know what I'm talking about tomorrow. We set the room tomorrow, y'all. It's going crazy, y'all. No cap. Another mall, y'all. We at another mall. We get out the elevator. Me and DeMarcus. Catch up across the sleep. Baby in the cross. What's up? What it is? What it do? What it do? Y'all, we back at the mall. Give me a hand, dude. You want me to hold his hand? We back at the mall, y'all. So, trying to decide which shoes I want to get babe, man. Like, I know what shoes she want, but I don't know if I want to get her what she want. I might get her what I want to get her. You know what I'm talking about? So we finna go see what the other shoe places got, and I'm gonna decide, make a final decision. You know what I mean? Got the boys in the cut. Nah, they don't got nothing we looking for in there. That's skateboard shoes. Got the boys in the cut with me. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know what we gonna get though. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned.